Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I am going to be using my Enail Couture Sport Length. I know a lot of you wanted to see this. I actually have them all sized out and ready. Look how freaking little these are. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. And they actually fit my cuticle area so nice. It's got room for product. Oh, I love it. We are going to be using a new little kit by Vettsy. This thing is freaking awesome, you guys. Wait till I show you. This is their gel polish unicorn set. Rainbows and unicorns, lollipops, and whatever else. But y'all know I love color. So it is on the Vettsy website for $49.99. If I get a discount code, you already know it will be in my description box. Is how their packaging always comes. I love this bubble wrap. Look at that packaging. It's a 9+3 gel polish set. So you're getting 9 colors. You're getting a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. The back has your ingredients. It has your directions, your warnings. Vettsy also always includes some extra goodies. These adorable stickers, and then these really beautiful stickers as well. Little brush to apply the gels with. These 3 here that are not labeled. Your top coat, base coat, matte top coat. It's 5 gram pots, all had a seal. These little nails, they are not pre-etched, so you will have to go in and etch them. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foil glue. This is a regular foil glue. I use it as a peel-off method. It's gonna go ahead and apply 1 thin coat of that on all of your nails, and then you're gonna just let that air dry. The nails have dried, the glue has dried. I went ahead and applied my base coat to my right hand. So this little pot is base gel. Take the brush that they send you, grab a little bit of base gel. It's not a thick consistency, but it definitely goes on nice and smooth. You're going to apply that, of course, from cuticle to free edge. Once that's on there, go ahead and give that a 30-second cure. Once the base is applied, like I said, go ahead and pop that into the light. Here we go, 30 seconds. As I went ahead and applied my right hand off camera and shaped and buffed and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna do my left hand. I'm gonna do a couple nails with you guys. So what you're gonna do is take your DIY gel or your poly gel or just whatever you're using to apply these. Apply that DIY gel right here by the cuticle. Okay, make sure you have enough. Go from one side to the other. Spread it out if you have to. Whatever's easier for you. Go ahead and apply it. Slide it down. Now these are teeny tiny, so I'm gonna have to hold it like, well, no, maybe not. Clean up anything that comes out real quick. Go ahead and put it under the light, and ta-da! So again, apply your DIY gel. Make sure there's enough in there to go from your cuticle to your free edge. And they're so small that it's so hard to show how to do it. Literally, like, they're so teeny tiny. So what I do is normally just hold it like this. Go ahead and cure. Clean up anything real quick. And then voila, you're gonna do it just like you would the longer nails. Went ahead and went in with a base coat on my right hand. I'm gonna take the base coat. So from cuticle to free edge, you already know, apply your base. It goes on really easy, you guys. Really easy. Just dip your brush. Go ahead, apply your base. After your base is applied, 30 seconds in my light. I've got all 9 colors here. Look at that gorgeous shimmer. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. So I'm probably gonna have to put 2 or 3 coats. We're gonna start with 1. We're gonna see how this works. So it does feel a little bit thicker than a gel polish. I'm gonna apply it. Ooh, maybe you don't need 2 coats. I don't know. Look how gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 coats. All right, now I've got them all finished with 1 coat. I'm gonna go ahead and cure them for a full 60 seconds. I'm gonna do a 2nd coat, and then we're gonna come back and bling them out. All right, guys, I got 2 coats of every color. Look at those colors. Dun, 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 dun. All right, you guys, look. I found these cute unicorn stickers. I believe these are from Enail Couture. Camera battery died while I was putting the stickers on, but there we have it. We've got them all applied. So now I just want to add a couple small little details. So y'all remember these flat backs I got? They were in my November McCart Your Nail Lab box. So I want to use these flat back ones. Be really cute too. These colorful ones. Grab you some rhinestone glue. I'm going to put that one there. Pink one, yellow one, and then we're going to put one of these right there, and then a purple one there. I'm going to put a pink one right there by the cuticle, a purple one there, a blue one there, the big one here, a little green one right here. All right, I'm gonna flash cure those in place. All right, so going in with that same brush with the glossy top coat. I do want to say that these go on like butter. They all went on so very nice. Make sure you cap your free edge. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and top coat these with their potted top coat. You're gonna butt the top coat right up to those gems. And my suggestion, if you're going to be wearing these, would be to go ahead. I would top coat these as well, the little rhinestones that I put on there. You definitely want to top coat the pearls. Okay, let me go ahead and do a cure on that. The other side, we will use the matte top coat just to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna go over the nail with the matte top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Forgive the noise in the background. That is my neighbor. I'm gonna go in with my Madame Glam Blossom Cuticle Oil. Last but not least, of course. Take that, put that on by your cuticles, rub that in real good. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. It came in my advent calendar. I have to give Vettsy, it is a thicker consistency gel, but I have to give it 5 baby girl nails. That's how much I loved it. It worked fantastic. It looks great, matte or glossy. Like, you can't tell me you wouldn't rock these. These are so freaking beautiful, these gels. They're gorgeous, and I'm definitely going to be using them again. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Vettsy, you guys rocked this kit. So if you guys are interested in this kit at all, like I said, the link will be down in my description box. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you think. Give me your comments in my comment section. I like to interact with you guys. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did like it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Sending lots of love and light. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye, guys.